How to use Chase Sapphire Reserve benefits. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your Chase mobile app, log into your account, and simply click on Sapphire Reserve card. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on benefits and rewards, and it will show you all the benefits and rewards. So for example, there's earn, redeem, and travel benefits. There's restaurant dining and delivery benefits, airport lounge benefits, luxury hotel benefits, exclusive offers, and many, many more. You can also enjoy travel benefits where $300 annual travel credit will be automatically applied to travel purchases. You can earn 5-time points on flights, hotels, cars, and rentals, and up to $500 per ticket can be reimbursed. You can also simply go ahead and have primary car rental insurance if you want to. There's also dining benefits. So again, 300 annual dining credit, earn up to 25 in statement credits monthly. You can also earn 3x points at restaurants worldwide, and you can also get a lot of hotel and lounge benefits. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.